in the business report. The Grace Kennedy Financial Group will host its inaugural financial fair this Friday, May 17, at the Emancipation Park in New Kingston. The event, which is being hosted under the theme One Group, One Goal, will showcase the company's member companies, including Allied Insurance Brokers, First Global Bank, GK Capital Management, GK General Insurance, Key Insurance, Western Union, Bill Express, FX Trader, Canopy Insurance, and GK1. Several Jamaican government agencies which are integral to the financial services ecosystem will also be present at the fair, including the Tax Administration Jamaica, Jamaica Stock Exchange, and Passport, Immigration and Citizenship Agency. ARC Manufacturing has launched a Made of Jamaica brand campaign to showcase the company's commitment to Jamaican excellence, quality, and culture. The initiative also couples with the company's 28th anniversary on May 16. ARC Manufacturing Executive Chairman Norman Horn says the company is committed to developing Jamaican people. He says, quote, "We are a registered Jamaican company. We are not registered in St. Lucia. We are not registered in Bermuda. We are not registered in any other jurisdiction." End quote. Time now for more on the market movements with Denise Williams.
During trading for the period of May 15, 2024, the following companies valued at 500 million Jamaican dollars or more in assets represent the overall volume leaders in terms of equity sale on the main market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 3,755,240 units, amounting to 30.88% of the market volume of the main market volume in terms of sales. Alternative energy provider Wigton Wind Farm Limited, ordinary shares with 2,672,328 units, amounted to 21.97% of the market volume of the main market volume in terms of sales. NCB Financial Group Limited with 1,624,909 units, amounted to 13.36% of the market value of the main market in terms of sales. During trading for the period of May 15, 2024, on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, the following companies represent the overall volume leaders in terms of sales of equities on the junior stock market, with companies valued at 50 million or more Jamaican dollars in asset value. Electrical and hardware distribution firm Fosrich Company Limited with 46,821,875 units, amounting to 92.96% of the market volume of the junior market in terms of sales. Hotel, food and beverage distributor Everything Fresh Limited with 826,380 units, amounting to 1.64% of the market volume of the junior market in terms of sales. Online education platform Edufocal Limited with 576,820 units, amounting to 1.15% of the market volume on the junior market in terms of sales. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on May 15, 2024, registered a volume of 257,287 shares, crossing the floor of the exchange valued at $2,532,302 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 9 cents. NCB Financial Group Limited was a volume leader with 151,473 shares, changing hands for a value of 397,149 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 80 cents, followed by JMMB Group Limited with a volume of 26,680 shares being traded for 34,7 617 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 70 cents. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On May 15, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $60.3 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $67.3 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $156.88 and bought the US dollar for $155.68. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.20, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $2.52 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $115.11 and bought for $112.59. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $4.34, selling it for $197.63 and buying it for $193.29. We continue to look at the joys of your first job at 18. You know, when you're young, this is an incredible milestone. Want to encourage you to monitor your credit report. You get a free one every year from each of the credit bureaus. So regularly check your credit report for errors or fraudulent activity. Address any discrepancies promptly to maintain a clean credit history. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until your next update.